the woman at the well, I was seeking for things that could not satisfy. And then I heard my Savior speaking, draw from my well that never shall run dry. Fill my cup, Lord, I lift it up, Lord. Come and quench this thirsting of my soul, and bread of heaven, feed me till I want no more. Fill my cup, fill it up, and make me whole. There are millions in this world who are seeking for pleasures earthly could afford, but none can match this wondrous treasure, oh, that I find in Jesus Christ my Lord. Fill my cup, Lord, I lift it up, Lord, and come